I opened my banking app, took a screenshot of the last 30 days, and highlighted every expense that didn't buy health, time, or long-term freedom. The total wasn't small. It was a second rent. And in that moment, I realized most people don't fail at financial freedom because they don't earn. They fail because they never turn money into a system. Here's the question I'm keeping open until the end. Why do some people get freer every year while others work harder and feel poorer? If you don't see the hidden pattern, you'll keep doing what looks responsible. Pay bills, grind, repeat, while your life quietly becomes a treadmill. And there's one silent mistake that keeps you busy forever. I'll reveal it at the end. We're going to make this practical in 3 phases. Phase 1, stabilize, so one emergency doesn't reset you. Phase 2, build a freedom engine, so money starts working for you. Phase 3, scale income with leverage, so you're not trapped by hours. This isn't theory. It's a roadmap you can start today. Most people skip the foundation. They chase investing tips while living one problem away from panic. Stability means you can handle a surprise expense without going into debt. That's not boring. It's power, because a stable person makes calm decisions. A panicked person makes expensive decisions. You can look responsible and still be stuck, paying everything on time, never missing a bill, but saving nothing and building nothing. That's not financial health. That's financial compliance. Freedom begins when you stop managing payments and start building assets. Here's the shift. You don't need perfect habits, you need automatic ones. I watched someone change their entire trajectory with one move, an auto transfer the day income hit. Before they could feel like spending, the money had already been assigned to freedom. That's when I understood. Willpower leaks. This is hard because your brain loves immediate comfort and hates delayed reward. It will argue, justify, and negotiate, especially when you're tired. But financial freedom is built by choosing the boring right thing consistently. It's like building a wall brick by brick. No single brick feels like progress until you realize you're protected. Pause and answer this. If your income stopped for 30 days, would you feel calm or crushed? That answer tells you what phase you're in. If this is hitting, like the video, comment "Build my engine," and subscribe, because now we're getting into the practical strategies that actually create freedom. Here's the system that works across incomes. Cash buffer, emergency fund. Debt control, stop paying interest like it's a subscription. Asset building, investing or business equity. Income leverage, skills plus distribution. Most people only do number 1, then stall. Freedom requires all 4. Stop thinking in dollars first. Think in percentages. If you can consistently allocate a fixed percentage to your future, freedom becomes inevitable. If you save whatever is left, you're building nothing. The wealthy pay their future first, then they adjust lifestyle. The average person does the opposite. Set 2 automatic transfers, 1 to your emergency fund until it reaches a target, 1 to an investment or asset account. Automate it on payday, then structure the rest of your spending around what remains. This single shift turns hoping into progress, because your freedom grows even on your lazy days. Look at your month. What is still paying you next month? If the answer is nothing, you're not failing. You're just living in zero compounding mode. Financial freedom isn't built by working more. It's built by building things that keep working. Once a week, do a simple review. What came in? What went out? What moved me closer to freedom? What was emotional spending? Pick one adjustment for next week. Small changes repeated become massive. This is how you stop drifting and start steering. The biggest leap is identity. Consumers trade money for comfort. Owners trade money for assets. Owners protect time. Owners build skills that increase earning power. Owners create distribution. Content, network, offers, so opportunity finds them. When you become an owner, freedom stops being a dream and starts being math. Here's the silent mistake that keeps people busy forever. They optimize lifestyle before they secure leverage. They upgrade spending faster than they upgrade assets. Flip that order, and your life changes.
From today, I'm someone who pays my future first, builds assets consistently, and uses leverage, not hours, to buy my freedom.